Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna win? I did win, as far as I'm concerned. I did my work, Sophia. I'm so excited. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I'm gonna walk you guys through. Ah. Don't do that to me. Ah! You're so tired. Okay, let's walk you through. I saved this model just because this has been my test model. It's very simple. Sophia, I really, really, really would love if you could just take a pause right now and just watch the show. Okay, so here's the model. Very simple. It's got a roof, it's got a floor, it's got walls, it's got a door, it got windows. Oh, you're choking. What are you doing to me, girl? So, in the 3D view, I'm gonna go up here to add-ins, my external tools, my Anansi build. And then the first thing it does, and I gotta like...
Dad, can I have one more of these?
Sure. The first thing it does is check to see if at a scale, and it's only doing a couple engineering scales right now, does it fit on the print bed? And of course, like I said, I'm being selfish. Okay, so first thing it does, like I said, is test to make sure it fits on the print bed. And of course, you know, I'm being selfish, so I chose the print. I have it set for the print bed that I have. So let's choose a different scale. I've done the 1 to 1,000, 1 to 100, 1 to 50. It doesn't fit. Let's do 1 to 200, just for the heck of it. I'm gonna save this in my 3.
To help me do
And
my
then,
exercise.
oh, you need me to help you do your exercise? Okay. The thing exported.
Ah!
You're taking me out, girl.
I want to do a race with you.
Okay.
Let's do a race.
Where are we racing to? Just gonna open it. Here it goes. And then, bingo bango. It's gonna give me a little, like, this was not made from bamboo, but that's fine. Here's the model at 1 to 200 scale. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I'm going to objects. Obviously, there's the whole build assembly, but each of the assembly parts, is a different part of the assembly. So, we've got walls. I can now assign a color to the walls. Let's go with this one. Let's get this out the way so we're not looking at it. Next up, the floor. Maybe I want the floor to be, I don't know, purple. I want the roof to be, I don't know, let's go blue. The glass. I separated the glass elements from the doors and windows so that I can assign my bamboo PLA translucent blue to the glass. Now the frames, I'm going to use, just for the heck of it, this wonderful brown wood filament I'm going to put on. And then other elements, which is like the mullions and the handles and stuff. I don't know. Let's make that white just for the gee willikers of it. The panel of the door, and there it is. It's the model in 6 parts that I can assign individual filaments to. That imports to scale, and maybe I want to slice this thing so I can look at it in section. Keep orientation, perform good. No, I don't want to fit. Bam. There it is. In section. So I can print it sectionally. Or I could, turn that and do it in plan, but I haven't figured out a good joinery method for that, because like I've shown before, when you set it in plan, now you have these parts that are like just slide against each other, right? But yeah. This is it. This is the main thing I was trying to do with the app. I mean the plugin I was trying to build. And yeah, this is exciting. I'm very excited. This is my very excited voice. Oh, Sophia, right there. Just keep pushing. Oh, perfect.
Oh, yeah. You need a back push?
I need a back push, girl. Give me a good back push. Ah. All right, I need to walk away. I've been at this for too long, and it works, and I'm so happy.